Yes, YouTube, welcome back again to a new video. As you guys can see, BTC is dropping at the moment. Um, as I predict last week, also we saw some bearish signs on the higher time frames. Right, they sweet way more than I was predicting, but it doesn't take away that we are bearish now. So I want to show you guys what actually happened today and yesterday, and I'm also shorting now on Pepe. One thing I've learned is that a lot of altcoins, in this case Pepe, following BTC very perfectly. So what I always do is I do my TA on the side on BTC, and then sometimes I trade Pepe. Be careful with trading Pepe because you know it goes 4 times faster than BTC. That means you trade them both on 200x, but the difference in price between Pepe and BTC is way bigger, and you also have to be careful with coins like Pepe because the market cap is way lower, so they can manipulate it way more and faster than BTC, right? So as that said, let's go to the chart. As you guys can see, we're watching to BTC USDT again, and what actually happened here is it's now Monday, let's say 7 o'clock New York time, so perfect timing also for this video, because the market makers, they wake up somewhere around let's say 8:30 a.m. So they start wrecking the market. Remember it's Monday, so Monday is not a very nice day to trade, but doesn't take away that there's a lot of opportunities into the markets, right? So at the moment we're watching at the 8 hour, and what you actually can see is that we hit the 786. So what they did actually is they sweep liquidity here above. They took out all this sell side liquidity to eventually drop down, right? So as you guys can see now, BTC is bearish. What happened, when you go to the daily, for example, we can see that the daily has a bearish divergence, right? It's not a strong one, but it's one divergent. One thing I've learned is that when we have a bearish divergence, we'll see downside, right? So simple as that. Another interesting thing is that we dipped into this fair value gap, right? There's still some orders to fill here in this gap, but we dipped into this gap. Like, when was it? Yesterday. So this gap is filled, but there's way more gaps to the downside, right? For example, there's also fair value gap here. So, there's a possibility that we will see more downside for BTC. It cannot go up forever. A lot of people were hoping that we hit 100K. Did we hit 100K? I don't know. No, not precisely. 99.7K was what I saw here. Yeah, 99.7K. So, for example, now I show you guys, I'm in a short position on Pepe at the moment. So we're in the gains now. And this is also a trade I post this morning in my group. For the guys who don't know, I have a group. It's called Crypto Gainers, where I post 3 free signals every week. These are also the trades I take myself. So if you want to receive this kind of signals, I'm talking about 10 till 20x signals a day, you can upgrade to the premium channel to receive this kind of trades on a daily basis. So what I actually do is I share the same trades I take myself in the group. So for example, now we're in this short position on Pepe. We're up almost 300%. And what you also can see is when we go to the chart of Pepe. Oh, I deleted it. It's okay. Still the signals of the alarms are there. But I can show you guys in the Discord here. For example, I posted this setup for Pepe this morning. I'm predicting Pepe to come back till what is it, 18095. So that's a gain of 2400% on 200x leverage. So that's crazy gains already, right? So you can see that the first take profit already got hit, and I took profit at 300%. So as that said, guys, you know, BTC bearish at the moment. I'm expecting more downside for BTC. You know, when we go to the 8-hour, we can see that they took out sell side liquidity here. That they started forming, that BTC is started forming bearish order flow now, right? So for example, we go to the 1 hour. You can see this giant wick here dipped into this pool here, and yeah, we started to forming a bearish order flow. So to remain bearish, I want to see this this 786 got broken 69.6k. That means that if we bounce on this, we can there's a possibility that we will see more upside for BTC. But for now, the higher time frame shows us that we're bearish. So I'm expecting BTC to break this level at 69.6k to eventually see more downside, right? For example, for now, you know, if we dip crazy, my first aiming point should be somewhere around. I'm aiming for somewhere around 91.9k. Say, let's say 92k. So that's my target actually for this week. You know, this is the last week also of November, so don't expect too much crazy things. You know, a lot of people call it Upvember. I don't know all those names, but you know, for me it's just the last. For me, it's just the last week of November. You know, so that's how I treat every week. You know, the second week and the third week are the nicest weeks to trade of every month. You know, BTC bearish, yes. Till where? I don't know. I want to see 93.6k got broken or 92k. You know, we check it on a daily basis. You know, if you want to join my group, go to my website cryptogainers.nl. You can fill in the form, your name, your email address, and you receive a link to the Discord group, and you will receive 3 free signals on a weekly basis. And I'm talking about crazy signals. So one thing I also say to the guys in the group, you know, only put in a trade what you can afford to lose, max 5% of your total account, maximum. So as that said, guys, I really thank you for watching. If you like this content, please like. If you want to see more, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to turn on the notification, and I see you in my next video.